Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Nikhil Seth.
We're so excited about another listing we have here in Sacramento. Yes, we sell homes all over California and all over the US. You're gonna like this location, centrally located in Sacramento, close to work, shopping, restaurants, schools. I can't wait to show you this property. Nick, what do you think?
Yeah, Eddie, it's great. It's super desirable, single-story floor plan. You have a beautiful trail right across the street. You have beautiful parks in the neighborhood. Eddie, this one's great. You guys gotta come check this out.
Let's take a tour.
Thank you so much for joining us.
As you saw, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.